After you have created your online store, the next crucial step is finding a reliable supplier. This can be quite overwhelming, especially if it is your first time venturing into e-commerce world. However, a good supplier can make things much easier. No matter how beautiful your store is, the most important thing is your ability to ship products to your customers efficiently. Now, if you can't fulfill orders promptly, you will face a lot of refund requests, which can harm your business reputation and bottom line. A good supplier should have millions of products available and the capability to ship products within 1 to 5 business days. Now, trust is another critical factor. You don't want to send a lot of money to someone you don't know, as you could lose that money if things go wrong. Building a strong relationship develops over time. To build a trust, start with small orders and gradually increase them as your confidence in the supplier grows. You need also to ask for reference and reviews from other customers to get ideas of their reliability. Now, another factor that you must put into consideration is communication. Communication is key here. A good supplier should be able to answer questions promptly and clearly. Communication is a major factor. If you can't communicate effectively within your supplier, you are wasting your time. Good communications ensures that you can negotiate prices, discuss product details, and address any issues that arises quickly. Quality. Always test products first before you start selling them. This will help you to ensure that your customers receive exactly what they ordered. Order samples, check quality, and make sure that the packaging and product color match with customers' selections. Now you need also to choose a supplier with a lot of experience. Suppliers who have been in the game for a long time understands nuance of business and can provide a better service. Ask questions about their history, how they handle logistics, and their experience with international shipping. Now let's dive into some of the best dropshipping suppliers you can use in 2024. Now the first one on our list is CJ Dropshipping. Now here are the advantages of CJ Dropshipping. They offer a wide range of products across various categories. They also have best shipping time ranging from 5 days to 7 days, which is a quite decent in dropshipping world. CJ also offers decent prices. Prices here are competitive, making it easier for you to make a profit. Now beside that, CJ also has got its limitations. Now the first one is product quality. While they are generally good, the quality can vary depending on the supplier within CJ Dropshipping. And also sometimes customer services can be slow, especially during peak times. Overall, CJ Dropshipping is a solid choice for those business looking to start or scale their dropshipping business. Now next up is AliExpress, a well-known platform into dropshipping community. AliExpress has the largest selection of products available, covering almost every niche you can think. And also AliExpress offers buyer's protection program, which ensures you get your money back if something goes wrong. Now this AliExpress has got also its own limitations. Now the first one is its shipping time. Shipping times can be quite long, often ranging from 15 to 30 days, which can lead to unhappy customers. And also product quality can be hit or miss. So it is crucial to order samples and do your due diligence. However, AliExpress is a great for beginner due to its ease of use and vast product selection. Our third supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has user-friendly interface that manages orders a breeze. They offer fast shipping options compared to AliExpress, often within 7 to 12 days. And also Zendrop allows for custom branding, which can enhance your store's professional image. And also Zendrop has got its own limitations. A Zendrop can be a bit pricier compared to other suppliers, which might eat your profit margins. While they offer high-quality products, the range is not as extensive as AliExpress. But Zendrop is a deal for those looking for a more streamlined and professional dropshipping experience. Now the next one on our list is called Aprolo, known for its competitive times and prices. The advantage of Aprolo is its shipping times, often between 5 to 10 working days, and they offer a competitive price which can help you to maximize your profit margins. Now, Aprolo has a strong focus on quality control, ensuring that products meet high standards before shipping. Of course, Aprolo has got also its own limitation. For example, product selection is not as vast as AliExpress, but covers most popular categories. And also customer support can be slow on Aprolo, particularly during busy seasons. But Aprolo is a great option for those prioritizing fast shipping and competitive pricing. AutoDS is another excellent dropshipping supplier worthy considering. The advantages of AutoDS is that they offer extensive automation features that can save you a lot of time managing your store. And they also provide powerful tools to help you find trending products. AutoDS has a robust inventory management feature to ensure you'll never run out of stock. This AutoDS has got its own limitations. Now the first limitation is that this platform can be a bit complex for beginners due to its extensive features. Now its advanced features on this AutoDS come at a higher cost, which might not be suitable for everyone. But more so, AutoDS is a perfect for those who want to automate their dropshipping business and focus on scaling. Now the last but not least, we have Commerce. They offer a wide range of products across various categories. They have competitive prices, making it easier to find profitable products. And they have a reliable shipping options that ensures timely delivery. Now limitations are similar to other suppliers. Customer service can be sometimes slow, and the platform can be tricky to navigate for beginners. And sometimes the quality of products can vary depending on the suppliers. Commerce is a solid choice for those looking for a wide range of products and competitive pricing. Now, choosing the right dropshipping supplier is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. Each supplier has its own strength and weakness, so it is important to consider factors like shipping times, product quality, pricing, and customer support when making your decision. By testing products and building strong relationship with your supplier, you can ensure a smooth and successful dropshipping experience. So if you have find this video useful, please go on and then smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more dropshipping contents. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. So until the next time, see you, bye.